morning. Do you mind being on camera?
Not at all.
No?
I love it.
Nice.
The more publicity, the better.
There you go. So you're here every Friday?
I try to be. The past couple of weeks it was full and there was no openings.
Oh, okay.
But I chanced it and get in a spot.
Nice. What name do you go by?
My name is Derek. My first name is Derek.
So that's your musical name too?
I call myself Fast Tracks.
Fast Tracks?
It just seems to fit the kind of music I play.
Okay.
Back to when.
What genre?
Pardon me?
What genre do you play?
I go from Bob Seger, Neil Young, James Taylor, and other bands in between.
Nice.
I started on country, so I do a few country songs.
Okay, nice.
In fact, I'll do one right now if you want to record it.
Alright, I'll go
I
ahead.
gotta get my pick though.
There you go.
This one's a John Denver song called Country Roads. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Mama, take me home, my country road.
50 years ago.
All my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to the water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty takes the moonshine, brings teardrops in my eyes. Country roads take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, my country. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I like that.
Nice. Thank you. When I come back, I'll give you some money as well. Question. So do you play at like parties and stuff like that?
I have been looking for it. I had an interview down at the beach for that restaurant that newly opened.
Oh, the Ashram. Yes,
They had to run
nice.
it by city council, and city council refused it. I
Okay.
used to play in front of No Frills by Costco.
So you can't just randomly pull up and put you have to have a permit?
Not like you used to be able to.
What?
I have a beautiful talent. I can't get into bars because I'm a single, not a band.
Oh man.
This is the only way I can get myself noticed.
Well, I have quite a following on YouTube, so if I can put it out there, you know?
Right
Because
on.
that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get like a vlog for this area,
Cool.
so that everybody know that the flea market, not the flea market, the farmers market is here. Because I didn't know it was here.
Oh wow.
Last week I found it. I used to live in Lindsay before, so I knew that one, but I didn't know about this one. And I come to the mall often,
Wow.
but I don't come to this side.
I see.
Yeah. So I'll put it out there. Derek,
And your name?
Adrian.
Adrian. Pleased to meet
Adrian,
you.
nice to meet you. You have a great voice, man, and you're passionate about what you're doing. I can see that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I didn't think I had that such a good voice.
You do. It's just a pity that, as you said, you're not able to just have like pop-up places to just
Yeah.
show your talent, you know?
And then I can't go to Toronto because I need a vendor's permit there.
What?
Yeah, but they call it a busker's license.
Just to stand up and play, even if you're not obstructing traffic or the flow of anything.
Yeah.
Wow.
If they catch you the first time, they give you a warning, and then after that, they fine you. So it is in the long way better to get the license, but for starting out to see how it goes, that's why I'm tempted, but I haven't done it yet.
Wow. Well, get the license because you have a great voice, you know? I love music. I'm a chef, but I love music.
Right on.
You have a great voice, yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a stroll around, and when I come back, I'll drop something in. Thank you.
No problem.
All right,
Thank you.
you're welcome.